were they part of the war on drugs also? Yung mga killings na nangyari during your 2.5 year stint?
I believe, Mr. Chair, they are part because sa mga press release po na may mention na they are in the list.
And rewards were also given to those people who neutralized these people.
I believe, Mr.
You
Chair.
believe that? Okay, thank you. Mr. Chair, malapit na akong antukin. Pwede po ba? Itigil na natin. Marami pong salamat.
Okay. Thank
Mr.
you,
Chair.
Congressman Akop.
Mr. Chairman,
Yes,
I may.
Congressman Fernandez.
I hope that will be the last interpellator because the Secretary General have already declared no classes or no work tomorrow.
Mr. Chair,
And we're about to reach the 14-hour first time.